Here's a delicious peri-peri chicken with potato wedges. Add red bell peppers and onions to a tray, drizzle with olive oil, a few cracks of tropical heat sea salt, some black pepper, and mix. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and then add it to a blender along with some garlic, red chillies, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, oil, and lots of tropical heat peri-peri seasoning. Blend it up nicely and then pour into a pot and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Make a few cuts into the chicken meat and season well with salt. Pour the peri-peri sauce all over the bird and rub it in well. Scatter sliced potato wedges around the chicken, season with salt and pepper and some olive oil. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes to an hour and then take the wedges out. Baste with some more peri-peri sauce and place under the broiler for a couple of minutes. Juicy chicken packed full of flavor, spicy, tangy, just everything you want in that delicious meal.